Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 31st of December and last day of 2025, and I'm so happy kasi everyone is going to celebrate tonight welcoming 2026. All are positive and happy to welcome 2026. Excited na lahat ng tao, manifesting that it's gonna be another good year. So yes, for others and for me as well, it's actually not a good year in 2025 ko. So I'm looking forward for 2025 na maging okay siya. And now it's already 10:24 and I am actually working. Nag-break lang ako from work to prepare at least kahit paano for the Christmas Eve. And yeah, I'm so excited. So it's so overwhelming talaga, promise, yung 2025 ko. But I think everything happens for a reason. All happens in God's plan. And I know naman that God will not give me those struggles that I had for 2025 kung alam niya di ko kaya. Kaya I'm so still excited and blessed. Happy to welcome 2026, and I hope it's gonna be a good year naman this time. So, ayun. So, Happy New Year, everyone! Hey guys! So, ayun. Hindi na ako masyado nag-vlog kanina during the Christmas Eve. Kasi wala namang masyadong ganap sa family namin kapag mga ganitong panahon. Or let's just say everyone is already adult. Kaya parang hindi na kami ganun na sobrang nagsa-celebrate. Alam mo yun. And also like me kasi, as a trentahin person, parang hindi na ako ganun ka-excite when it comes to this kind of occasions. And also, may work din talaga kasi ako today. So, parang last shift of 2025 and also entering the shift for 2026. So, kanina, nag-stop lang ako mag-work, of course, para at least to take some photos with the family, to eat, and then go back to work until 1 a.m. Siyempre, kasi yung shift ko kanina is 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. So, naka-holiday off naman basically yung class that I handled na in-endorse ko naman as operations. But, ayoko mag-holiday off kasi nga sayang yung double pay. And it's really important for me nga to earn a lot. Green pa rin tayo ngayon, 2026 mga ate ko. Kasi kailangan natin ng pera. Ayun. And it's already 2:38. Yan, 2:38 na in the morning. And it's official, 1st of January, not everyone. Nakakatuwa naman. It's so fast. Alam niyo yun. So, di na ako masyado nag-vlog kanina kasi wala naman masyadong ganap. So, kung friends tayo sa Facebook or you follow me on Instagram, doon, makikita niyo na yung picture namin ng family. And that's it. Wala na. After that, we eat. I go back to work. And now, I'm preparing to go to sleep kasi medyo napagod na si ate nyo today. Kahit wala naman ako masyadong ginawa. Alam mo yun? I mean, may ginawa tayo. Pero hindi mo na kayo nag-prepare to cook. Hindi mo na kayong nag-prepare for the dinner for today. For tonight, rather. Diba? Pero kasi kanina, when I woke up before my work, nagdigpit din kasi ako ng mga pinalaundry ko. So, medyo napagod din ako at the same time as a person with a chronic illness. Anyways, ayun. So, see you tomorrow, everyone. I really need to rest na talaga. So, good night. It's raining and I'm off to work. Shit, nakakaulan. Umuulan. It's raining. Sana di siya lumabas kasi papasok tayo today's video. Hi guys! So yeah, actually kakauwi ko lang from work and it's already 2:27 in the morning. And kanina it's so funny kasi 'di ba pumasok ako and you saw me going to work na nagpapanik kasi umuulan. But hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after that kasi sobrang na-busy tayo sa work. And today is the second day of the year, January 2nd. Kaya parang alam ko that there are a lot of things that I need to do. Kahit nag-work naman ako nung December 31st and January 1. So, nag-work naman ako those days. Pero kasi iba pa rin yung nag-work ka on-site. So, kasi kanina naka-on-site ako. And when you're working from home kasi, medyo limited yung work that I need to do. Compare pag nasa site ako. Kasi pag nasa site ako, andun yung mga taong kailangan kong i-check and everything. Kaya, sobrang na-busy talaga ako. Like, kahit hawakan yung cellphone kanina, yes, nahawakan ko yung phone ko, pero hindi talaga ako nakapag-vlog or anything. As in, kahit mag-reply sa mga messages, hindi ko magawa. And now it's already 2:28 in the morning. I just got home and I'm looking for something to eat. And I'm thinking ng sweets. Ngayon, gusto ko lang kumain. I don't know if this is a right idea to eat at this hour ng matatamis. Pero kasi nag-crave ako sa matamis. Kaya naghahanap lang ako ng food that I can eat now. And it's so nice kasi it's already weekend. Yes, I'm so happy kasi I have ganap later. May mga gagawin tayo later. And sana makapag-vlog tayo, no? But yeah, I have a lot of things to do later. And I'm so excited that ito yung first ganap ko for this year. Kaya samahan niyo ako later. And ayun, I'm just looking forward for this new year talaga. And I'm hoping everything is gonna be fine this year. Fingers crossed. Kaya, yeah. Ayun lang. So, samahan niyo ako maghanap na ako ng food. Okay, so mga sis, I'm back here sa room ko. So, feeling ko naman na-satisfy ko na yung self ko eating salad. So, feeling ko may hinahanap pa rin ako. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yun. So, actually, to be honest, parang naghahanap pa rin ako ng something to eat. Pero hindi naman siya sweet na. I'm looking for something salty na. Pero wala kaming salty or kahit ano, ubos na rin yung mga chips ko. So, wala akong something salty that I can eat right now. But anyways, let's see na lang kung mawala yung cravings ko. But right now, I just wanted to show you something I bought sa online shop, sa TikTok actually. So, I bought this. I don't know when, pero dumating na siya today. So, wala lang, nabudol lang ako. Actually, I was sick. When I saw it, shit, ang ganda niya. And I need to have one to try it. So, ito siya guys. Tadan! So, this is actually lipstick. But, hindi ko alam. Ba't ko siya binili? Kasi it seems that hindi siya pang everyday use. Na parang I think for some events ko lang siya magagamit or what. But, why not? So, let's check. So, this is... Tada! So, this is from Sheglam. So, this is their set. Naaliw lang ako kasi there's a glitter on it. So, Andito yung lip liner, the parang glue, and then the glitters. I got here, ano bang shade to? Ano nakalagay? I don't know what shade is the one that I purchased. Pero I think tatlo yung shades nito eh. Let's check on my phone. Meko, wait. Uy, what are you doing? Let's check. I don't know, pero Meko! I think tatlo yung shades nito. Ayun. So, this is the She Glam Lip Dazzler Glitter Kit. So, tatlo yung shades niya. Yes. So, meron siyang Red Carpet, Center Stage, and the Debutante. Hala! And then, the one that I got is, I think, yung Center Stage. Tama ba ako? Oo, yung Center Stage. So, this kit includes, meron siyang brush, lip liner, the glitter, and parang siyang glue. So, ang first step daw is to put the lip liner. Tapos, after daw malagay yung lip liner is to put the glue so that we can put the glitters. But I cannot try it right now pa. Kasi, di pa ako nagtutoothbrush, di pa ako naghihilamos or whatever. So, I think it's not so hygienic to put something on my face. Siguro tomorrow, I mean later, try natin siya. And I'm so excited to try it though. Pero feeling ko lang talaga, pang event lang siya. But here it is. So, share ko na lang sa inyo. Kaya, just happy lang. I got this. Hi guys, so good morning kasi it's already 12:07 and today is Sunday, January 4, 2026. So, 4 na araw na agad ang nakalipas for the month of 2026. And we just got home kasi nga, we watched Disney on Ice kanina. Kaya sobrang nakakapagod. But it was fun. Kasama ko yung mommy ko and my best friend and his wifey. So, apat kaming nanood kanina ng Disney on Ice. And I'm so happy. Nakakatuwa. Childhood memories and syempre, healing our inner child ulit. So, parang naging tradition na namin siya ng best friend ko na every year we're watching the Disney on Ice. So, ayun, nako-compare na namin kung ano yung taon na better yung Disney on Ice. Kaya, ayun. This year, sinama ko yung mommy ko just for her to experience as well watching the Disney on Ice. So, ayun, nakauwi na kami. And sobrang busog pa ako ngayon. Kasi, before we watch, kumain kami sa IKEA. Then, after we watch, kumain din kami. Kaya, medyo busog pa ako. But, ayun, tama na tong cheat weeks ko dahil parang buong holiday puro ko kain. Yung restrictions na dapat medyo binabawasan ko yung sweets and everything. Medyo hindi nasusunod dahil holiday season. And, hi, Mika boy! And yun. Anyways, tomorrow or later is Sunday. Today is Sunday na pala. Sana makapag-run ako mamaya. Let's hope and pray. And ayun, so I'm just gonna wash up and I'm gonna, oh my god. So if you were hearing Luna in the background, guys, I'm so sorry. Kasi the baby girl is actually in hit. Kaya nilagay ko muna siya sa cage just for her to be away kay Meko. Kasi guys, baka kung ano mangyari, charot. Hindi ako ready maging lola. Kaya nilagay ko muna siya sa cage. So if you're hearing her crying, oh my god, I'm so sorry, my baby girl. So ayun, sobrang ingay ni Luna. Actually, mahirapan ako matulog minsan because of her, but no, she's my baby. Right? She's my baby. Come here. Come here. This baby boy naman. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Meko boy. Say hi, Meko boy. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. It's so kulit. This is my kulit boy and I just wanna share. Binasag po nitong Meko boy na baby ko to yung vase ni ate. Oh my god. Chocolate? Chocolate? Chocolate but so cutie. Hmm? Chocolate but so cutie. Okay, say bye-bye na to the camera. I'm gonna be washing up and I'm gonna be sleeping na. See you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone and good morning na. Kasi it's already 2:24 in the morning and it's actually Wednesday today. January 7. And I just got home from work kasi may shift ako kanina and nag-on-site ako. Kaya kakauwi ko lang. And for the past few days, I've been too busy. Sunday, nag-general cleaning lang ako, naglinis, nagayos, and so ever. I didn't go out no Sunday kasi nga ang dami kong gagawin. Then Monday, I work from home pero ayun, super stressful ang Monday. And syempre, di ba, every Monday, it's a busy day kasi parang start of the week, ang dami mong tasks na kailangan tapusin or i-start para ma-make sure that everything will be going well for the rest of the week. Kaya ayun, naging busy ako, kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog. But now, nag-decide ako mag-vlog after my shift kasi dumating yung in-order kong package. And this is so cute. Wait, let me just have yung water ko. I'll just get scissors. Wait. Ayan. And I want to open this one kasi. Ayan. So, this is from the TikTok shop actually. Yan siya. Kita niyo po. Basta ito. Hindi siya focus. So, this is some jewelries, pero hindi siya mamahaling jewelries. It's just like a daily use lang para sa pang-araw-araw kong ganap sa buhay. So, I got this one. This is a cute ring. So, adjustable naman siya. So, this is a cute one. Adjustable siya with letter A. So cute. I also have same shop. So, this one. So cute naman. Meron siyang mini parang towelette to clean the jewelry. And the maintenance steps. And I also have here this one. So, ito yung inaantay ko because I really want to have this kind of necklace. So, same, meron ding maintenance tips. And I got this charms. Mga pendant siya. So, sa isang necklace, you can put a lot of pendants. If you want, say hi, Beck Beck. Hi, my baby boy. Say hi. 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 Hey. The invader. Yan. Hey, what are you doing? You go down na muna. Mama showing something. Ah. Say hi. Hi, I'm Mecha Boy. So, it's just a cute necklace. So, ito siya. So, may towel din siya. So, yung isang towel na maliit pala is for the ring. The other one is for the necklace. So, I'm not sure if this is so nice yung chain niya. But if the chain is not nice, I can buy different chain naman. But this is it. I'll show you na lang siguro once I use it. Kasi medyo inaantok na tayo. And I just decided to vlog. Kasi sabi ko, di ba ako nakakapag-ending? So this is gonna be like the ending of the vlog that I'll be uploading. Siguro over the weekend. But yeah, so I just wanted to have a closing dun sa mga video clips that I have for this vlog. Okay, nai-include ko tong video na to. Kaya ayun, so thank you so much everyone for watching. See you on my next vlog.